funk.
Hey everybody, welcome to another video and welcome to Taipei, the capital of Taiwan. Today I'm at the Sun Yet-sen Memorial Hall and I was going to give you guys a little tour and also give you a little history lesson as well. And I hope you guys enjoy. Sun Yat-sen was a famous 20th century Chinese politician, philosopher, and physician. And he's often regarded as the father of the Republic of China. Until this day, he's still revered in mainland China and Taiwan. He's most well known for his crucial role in the Chinese Revolution, which defeated the Qing dynasty in 1911, and for becoming the first president of the Republic of China. Also for his principles of the people, nationalism, democracy, and livelihood. And also he was a co-founding member of the Kuomintang, the KMT, or the Nationalist Party of China, and being its leader for a number of years. For thousands of years, China had been under the rule of various dynasties and warlords, and at the beginning of the 20th century, China had been under Manchurian rule for nearly 250 years. The Chinese people were fed up with being under foreign rule, and Sun Yat-sen and other revolutionaries fought to change that. After the First Sino-Japanese War, the Qing government ceded the island of Taiwan, at that time called Formosa, which was the Portuguese word for beautiful island, ceded the island to the Japanese, which further sparked a need for revolution. Dr. Sun spent a lot of time and effort overseas trying to secure funding for a revolution, either from foreign governments or from Chinese expats living abroad. The revolution was a success, and the Qing dynasty, which had been in power for nearly 250 years, had been defeated. After the revolution, he became the first president of the Republic of China. However, he promptly stepped down from the position because he felt that his work could be put to better use elsewhere. He eventually co-founded the Kuomintang, or the KMT, which was the Chinese Nationalist Party, one of the main parties in power from 1911 until its defeat in 1949 by the Chinese Communist Party. Shortly after Dr. Sun's death, Chiang Kai-shek took over the KMT and ruled in China until 1949 when the Communists took over, and he had to flee to Taiwan. Taiwan was under the one-party system rule of the KMT, Chiang Kai-shek, and eventually Chiang Kai-shek's son up until the 1980s. Today the KMT is still one of the main political parties in Taiwan, however it's no longer a one-party system. That's it everybody for the Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And also check out my China videos, my Hong Kong videos, my Thailand videos, my Kung Fu videos, and my hiking videos. And I'll see you guys next time.